Food safety is crucial when camping to prevent foodborne illnesses. Here are some tips to ensure food safety while camping. Pack properly. Use coolers with ice packs or frozen water bottles to keep perishable foods like meat, dairy, and eggs at a safe temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Keep raw meats separate from ready-to-eat foods to avoid cross-contamination. Keep clean. Wash hands, utensils, and surfaces often, especially before and after handling food. Bring biodegradable soap and hand sanitizers for convenience. Cook thoroughly. Cook foods, especially meats, to the recommended internal temperatures. Use a food thermometer to ensure meats reach safe temperatures, for example 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius for poultry, 106 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius for ground meats, and 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius for whole cuts of beef, pork, lamb, and fish. Prep smartly. Prep perishable foods like fruits and vegetables ahead of time and store them in sealed containers or resealable bags. Avoid leaving perishable foods out at room temperature for extended periods. Use clean water. Ensure the water you use for cooking, cleaning, and drinking is safe. If unsure about water sources, bring a water filtration system or boil water before use. Store food properly. Store food in sealed containers or airtight bags to prevent contamination from insects and animals. Consider using bear-proof containers in areas with wildlife concerns. Avoid cross-contamination. Use separate cutting boards, plates, and utensils for raw and cooked foods to avoid cross-contamination. Clean and sanitize equipment between uses. Monitor perishables. Check perishable foods regularly for signs of spoilage, such as unusual odors, mold, or sliminess. When in doubt, discard questionable items. Dispose of waste properly. Dispose of food waste and garbage in designated bins, or follow leave no trace principles for responsible waste management in wilderness areas. Be mindful of allergens. If anyone in your group has food allergies, take extra precautions to prevent cross-contact and ensure allergen-free meal options. By following these food safety practices, you can enjoy delicious meals without compromising on safety while camping.